This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to make soft carrots. Start by peeling and cutting carrots into 1-inch pieces for even cooking. Place carrots in cold water, add a pinch of salt, and bring to a gentle simmer over medium heat. Cook for 12 to 15 minutes until a fork slides in with no resistance. Drain, toss with 2 tablespoons butter and 1 teaspoon salt, then serve warm and glossy. Peeling and cutting correctly sets you up for success. Pick carrots that feel firm and similar in size so they cook at the same rate. Trim the tops and tails, then peel thinly to remove fibrous skin without wasting too much. Slice into 1-inch rounds or batons so each piece softens evenly. Uniform pieces mean no undercooked cores and consistent, tender results every time you cook. If you're finding this helpful, please subscribe and hit like to support more simple cooking tips. Quick recommendation: a book called The Simple Path to Wealth can change how you think about money, and it pairs oddly well with learning kitchen patience. Consider it a tiny investment in your life skills. Check the description for the link and other deals, and now let's get back to the video. How you cook matters more than fancy ingredients. Begin carrots in cold water so they warm through evenly instead of shocking the center. Keep the pot at a gentle simmer rather than a rolling boil to prevent splitting and drying. After about 12 minutes, check with a fork. It should slide in easily while the carrot still holds shape. Drain, dress lightly, and enjoy reliably soft carrots every time.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.